Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about AmpCoin. AMP crypto price prediction. A promising digital collateral coin. AMP, the token of the Fleexa collateralized asset transfer network, continues to show sharply volatile traits, with a price chart punctuated by sharp rises and quick falls. For example, on 10 February it rose 14% and then lost most of it all in just 5 hours. The end result is little overall gain. Since its low after the January flash crash, it has put on 16% compared to leading cryptos such as Ether, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC, which have surged 40% and 29% respectively in that period. Like many cryptos, AMP has a plausible use case, in this case helping to provide users with fast, secure transactions, but a general gloom is hanging over the cryptocurrency space can no doubt take some of the blame for the price's lack of sustained growth. However, that use case is predicated on an insecurity some people feel about doing business with crypto. It is possible that as crypto becomes more mainstream and confidence grows, the service may become redundant. So what's next for AMP? Can it convince the market of its value? Can it gain momentum and break out of this long, disappointing decline? AMP price analysis. Technical view. The AMP coin started its seamless integration between our known expertise in 5G with our skills in AI, Arkansas VR, and blockchain. We would be training a workforce of 1,000 engineers to ensure they are ready to solve complex business challenges and imagine new worlds for our customers and society. Burgeoning growth. With the growing popularity and adoption of the metaverse, the global revenue opportunity that it represents could potentially reach or surpass $800 billion in 2024. Tech Mahindra has positioned itself in the forefront to harness the potential that the metaverse offers, with the tech giant looking to leverage 5G to provide a seamless and enhanced experience in the metaverse. Tech Mahindra has already highlighted its potential through its showcase Welcome to Simplicity at the Mobile World Congress. The showcase demonstrated how the company plans to allow communication service providers to take advantage of this new technology. Speaking about working with Tech Mahindra on stepping into the metaverse, President, Communications, Media and Entertainment and CEO, Network Services, Manish Vyas, stated, "Metaverse is a disruptive opportunity to unlock the next frontier of new age digital immersive experiences." With our foray into the metaverse, Tech Mahindra is geared to enable limitless opportunities in the virtual world by building scalable services through foundational capabilities and device engineering expertise. Typically, collateralization means that users are dependent on a third party. However, AMP removes this requirement by offering a decentralized digital alternative. Another major plus is that the AMP network provides real-time finality assurance, which gives a boost to the token. A drawback of cryptocurrency payments can be the time that transactions take to be completed at point of sale. What is especially unique about the AMP network is that users can collateralize their assets instantly. This makes the protocol both scalable and suitable for the needs of a growing digital economy. Not to mention that AMP users enjoy a high level of interoperability. As of June last year, the protocol supported over 25 digital assets. Risks ahead for AMP. Cryptocurrency markets have been subject to high volatility, driven in part by varying perceptions of the intrinsic value of crypto as a store of value. Various upward and downward price movements have taken place over the last few years. For example, in May 2021, Bitcoin plunged by as much as 30% to about $30,000. As a native utility token of the Fleexa network, AMP is a relatively new project, launched only in September 2020, which means it is still on its journey of achieving broader adoption. While cryptocurrencies such as AMP have been hailed as potentially disruptive financial technologies, technological barriers still remain, which may affect the crypto asset ecosystem as a whole. AMP has a non-inflationary fixed total supply of tokens, which could rise in value as a direct result of broader adoption, notwithstanding the risks facing the digital collateral token. In principle, that's all. Now let's move on to a short and long-term forecast for this cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025, or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? Ampre Prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. Ampre Prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Ampre Prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. Ampre Prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. Ampre Prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. Ampre Prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. Ampre Prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP. The average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.